Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming both files you'll sync, the video and its external audio. Open Kmplayer and load the video first. This ensures the player uses the movie's timeline. If audio is separate, keep it accessible in the same folder. Note the exact drift, seconds, or frames, because you'll enter that value later. Once done, switch to the subtitle/audio control panel quickly. This gets you to the adjustment controls. Without wasting time on playback settings, you won't change. Now perform the precise adjustment. Play a clear reference section where lips move or an obvious sound occurs. Use Kmplayer's audio delay control, either the menu option or hotkeys, to shift audio in small increments. You want 0, 1s, or single frame precision. Make short playbacks after each tweak so you can hear the change immediately. This repeated check and adjust cycle minimizes guessing. If available, slow playback to half speed for tough spots. Since visual cues become easier to finish by testing several sections across the video to ensure sync holds throughout. Adjust further if drift varies over time. If you need a permanent fix, remux, or re-encode with matching frame rate and audio sample rate, then save the new file. Make sure to save Kmplayer's profile if you want the same delay applied automatically. If things go wrong, check for frame rate mismatch, variable frame rate footage, or audio sample rate differences. Correcting those usually eliminates progressive drift.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.